Today we will use the smoothed Heikenhashi indicator and we will use this guy strategy explained in his video which is based on this indicator. Namaskar दोस्तों, welcome to Akash Dr channel. What we will cover in this video? First, we will see this strategy conditions and rules. Second, we will code it for a strategy tester in TradingView. Then we will backtest it on different pairs and different time frames. Fourth, if we found it profitable, then we will automate it, algo automation, and start live trading. Never forget that every great trader started as a beginner. They too face uncertainties, but they preserved, learned, and adapted. You have the potential to become one of them if you keep pushing your boundaries. तो strategy का rules क्या है वो पहले जान लेते हैं. This strategy is based on the just smoothed Heikenhashi indicator. We have to set it by default settings. For a long entry, we need a strong bearish trend. Wait for the indicator to change to a green color. Then, after the color change, watch for a candle retest on the indicator. Next, confirm with a green candle and then enter a buy position and set the stop loss SL at the latest swing low and take profit TP at twice the SL. For a short entry, we need a strong bullish trend. Then, wait for the indicator to change to a red color. After the color change, watch for a candle retest on the indicator. Now, confirm with a red candle and then enter a sell position and set the SL at the latest swing high and maintain the same TP to SL ratio. Now, let's create a strategy script in TradingView based on these rules. Now, first let me add the smoothed Heikenhashi indicator. First, we need to check the strong bearish trend. For that, we will calculate average true range in short ATR value. We will add the moving average of ATR. If ATR is above, then it is a strong trend. The moving average Now check if color is changed from red to green. Now check the price is tested indicator and green candle close above the indicator. बाय एंट्री हम ये सेल रिसेंट स्विंग लो पे प्लेस करेंगे एंड टेक प्रॉफिट 2 टाइम्स ऑफ ये सेल। Now we will do opposite for a sell signal. We will add ATR moving average condition. This is the same for both because the average true range is calculated based on the candle market movements. If ATR is above the moving average, then it is a strong trend. Now check if the color change from green to red. Now the check price is tested indicator and red candle is closed below the indicator. We will take a sell entry. We will place a sell at the recent swing high and TP 2 times of a sell. That our back testing strategy script is ready. अभी चार्ट पे जाके देखते हैं कि हमारे सिग्नल बराबर आ रही है या नहीं. Now we can see on chart also here is a buy signal appearing. चलो फिर चेक करते हैं सब सही तो है. यहाँ पे ATR की वैल्यूज भी ज्यादा है. रेड टू ग्रीन हो गया है. Here is a retest to the indicator with green candle confirmation, so the signal is valid. And here take profit hit correctly. Let's see a sell signal. Here green to red ATR condition made. टेस्ट हैपन करेक्टली, रेड कंफर्मेशन डन, तो सिग्नल भी वैलिड है और एसएल भी करेक्टली हिट हुआ है जहां पे होना चाहिए था स्ट्रेटेजी के हिसाब से. तो हमारी कोड की हुई स्ट्रेटेजी स्क्रिप्ट परफेक्टली काम कर रही है स्ट्रेटेजी के रूल्स के हिसाब से. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू कंडक्ट अ बैक टेस्ट. फर्स्ट वी विल रन द टेस्ट ऑन XJUSD गोल्ड पेयर विथ अ 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम. गोल्ड बहुत वोलेटाइल होता है. इन दिस टेस्ट वी विल सी द नेट प्रॉफिट, परसेंटेज ऑफ प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड्स, प्रॉफिट फैक्टर एंड मैक्सिमम ड्रॉडाउन. हम 0.1 लॉट साइज ट्रेड करेंगे. इन द ट्रेडिंग व्यू सेटिंग I will set it to 10,000 considering that 1 lakh units are equivalent to 1 lot. When we look at XJUSD, we observe a profit of $9,64,000 indicating that there is a profit in the net profit column. The percentage of profitable trades stands at approximately 47%, which is not particularly high. The profit factor is at 2.3, which is also impressive. The maximum drawdown is around 3 lakh, which is less than net profit. In summary, while there is a profit in the net profit, the percentage of profitable trades 47%, showing that the strategy performance is not गुड. नेक्स्ट हम बिटकॉइन चार्ट को 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे चलाएंगे. वी विल ट्रेड विद 0.1 बिटकॉइन क्वांटिटी बिकॉज टुडे बिटकॉइन इज सो एक्सपेंसिव. इन बिटकॉइन you can see over $500 loss showing. The percentage profitable is around 25%, which is so bad. Profit factor is 0.5, which is in a loss. Maximum drawdown is $500, which is extremely bad. Therefore a strategy 1 hour time frame पे भी unprofitable है. Now let's test it on the bank nifty chart with 1 minute time frame. Considering its high volatility, trading with 1 lot equivalent to 15 quantity, we achieve a loss of 1,70,000 in the case of bank nifty. However, the percentage of profitable trades is 23%, which is not ideal for consistent profitability. The profit factor is 0.5, suggesting moderate performance. The maximum drawdown is 2 lakh rupees, which exceeds net profit. So while this strategy is not profitable with Bank Nifty, its profitability and the profit factor are relatively low, making it less attractive for trading. In summary, हमें ये strategy consistently profitable नहीं दिख रही है and we will not be automating it algo trading. अगर आपको इस strategy का कोड चाहिए तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है, आप उससे बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. If you would like to back test or implement any strategy or algo trading system, feel free to contact us using the provided number. और एक बात याद रखना, इंतजार करने वालों को उतना ही मिलता है जितना की कोशिश करने वाले छोड़ देते हैं. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing and clicking on the notification the bell icon. तो फिलहाल तो अभी चलते हैं. Stay tuned, stay happy and happy trading.